Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie and today I am going to be doing a full face using only MAC Cosmetics products. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I am going to put on my face is the MAC Hyper Real Serumizer. It's like a primer. I'm just going to take a little bit of it on the back of my hand. And this is like more than enough hydration. Y'all see that? Especially since the foundation that I'm using is also hydrating. So yeah, you guys, I decided to do this video because I've accumulated, first of all, when I first started doing my makeup and like really got into it, my entire collection was all MAC makeup products. Like, it was a really big deal for me to go to the MAC makeup counter inside of Macy's and collect my little products. I first just started with lipsticks and lip glosses. What I loved then and what I still love about MAC Cosmetics is that they are such an inclusive brand. They were like the first department store brand where I was able to find a really good match and where they had such an extensive and inclusive shade range when it came to their foundations. And then I moved into eyeshadows, even though I had no idea what I was doing using eyeshadows. And to be honest, I still don't, but I still like to play. And it was just fun. For foundation, I'm gonna be using the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. Why was that so difficult for me to say? And I am in the shade NW45. But as for this foundation, this was like my staple foundation all summer long. Because like, look at that match. It's like you can't even see where I put the foundation on my face, but it's definitely there. But yeah, this is a perfect match. And I just like to kind of swipe it on, even kind of stipple it on. This is such a beautiful, like, skin-like foundation. The formula is so nice. You can like sheer it out or you can build it up to be a bit more fuller coverage if that's your thing. And it doesn't look cakey. It just looks really natural and skin-like. If you ask me, this is the best foundation that MAC has out right now. Next, we are going to get into concealer. And this is the, I think this is the concealer that matches the foundation. It's the MAC Studio Radiance 24-Hour Luminous Lift Concealer. And I am using the shade NC55. I feel like this shade matches my skin tone instead of highlighting. I really need to go and grab another shade that's maybe 1 to 2 shades lighter because I do want one of these for highlight. Super hydrating. When I say this is a full coverage girly, I say medium coverage. I wouldn't say full coverage. I really love how hydrating this is. I like how lightweight it is. It doesn't feel heavy under my eyes at all. And I'm just gonna start blending this out on my chin. Y'all haven't tried any MAC complexion products? I'm gonna need y'all to stop sleeping. Like, do y'all see how beautiful, flawless, and hydrated my under eyes look? I look nice and awake. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, your girl is tired, okay? Staying up late, studying, doing homework, and just not getting any sleep in general. I got bags, I've got dark circles, and I did not color correct. And you see what that concealer did. The blush that I'm gonna use is the MAC Glow Play blush, and this is in the shade Pinch of Marrakesh. This formula is so cute. It's like a cushion formula. Like, you can literally push it in, and that's just the formula of it. You can build it up, and you don't have to worry about doing too much. Like, if you're scared of blush, I feel like this is a good one to get because it goes on, dare I say this goes on kind of sheer, but you can definitely build it up. This one I like because it's like a nice reddish warm without being like too red, still giving natural. Like, you see how you can start out with just like a sheer wash of color, whereas this side I built it up some and it's still not doing too much. I feel like this is a blush that's hard to mess up. I'm just gonna go back over the edges with my concealer brush. Alright y'all, so one thing that I don't have by MAC is like a loose powder. First, I'm gonna use this pressed powder by Too Faced Cosmetics. This is their soft blur. Yeah, the Born This Way soft blur powder. I'm a girl that loves a good bronzer. I love to look bronze. MAC Radiance Skinfinish bronzer, and I have mine in the shade Richer Rosy. This shade is a smidge dark for me, but I don't mind. Start out really light-handed with it because this bad boy is pigmented. This shade actually works a lot better for me in the summertime. I'll make it work for now too. And I'm gonna take some on my nose Now I want to add this little blush. So this is the MAC Mineralize blush, and it has just like a little hint of sheen to it. And this is in the shade Lovejoy. This is another like natural type of color. But if you want just like a little bit of something, a little highlight to your blush, this is the perfect shade. Because I'm not even a highlighter type of girly, but this just looks so pretty on the skin. Like, it's just a nice natural type of highlight, almost like a low light, you know. Before we get into the lips, I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm not gonna put a false lash on, and I don't have on my lash clusters. I swear by this mascara. This is the MACstack Mascara. I actually have it in brown too, and I haven't used it, but I want to pull it out soon. But this just really makes your lashes look really nice, and you can put on as many coats of this as you want, and it's still gonna look so good. It just makes your lashes look really nice and full and lengthened. Like, you see how my lashes look now. To finish off my face, I am gonna use the MAC Skinfinish Mineralize Skinfinish Natural, and I'm using the shade Deep Dark. So I like to take a big fluffy brush that's like loosely packed, and I'll swirl it around in there, right? And then I'll just like lightly brush it over everything. Just like blend everything all together. Okay, now I feel like everything is coming together. Now we can get into my favorite part, which is a lip. And of course, I have to use the iconic lip pencil. This is Chestnut, and it's one of the only brown lip liners that work for me by MAC. This shade I recently fell in love with when the Nude collection of lipsticks launched. And this is Yash. This is such a pretty color. That's how Yash looks. This is in their matte formula. I'm gonna go ahead and just... Of course, I'm gonna put a gloss on top. I'm gonna use the shade Beaux. This is Beaux in the Lipglass. And I'm just gonna put a bit. I'm just gonna go back in with my lip liner just a little. So this is the final look. A face full of MAC Cosmetics products. What do y'all think? This is kind of like my staple signature type of look. No eyeshadow, nice, warm, bronzy, nude lip. Y'all know I live for a nude lip. This just shows why MAC has always been and will always be that girl. Products are just good. Everything that I use will be linked down in the description box. If you guys use MAC products, let me know down below in the comments what your favorite MAC product is. Yeah, that's it, you guys. If you have any questions for me, as always, feel free to drop it down below in the comments. If you have not already, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and I will see y'all in the next one. All right, bye.